Hello and welcome to Cool Flowers from Seed to Harvest.
In this course, you'll learn how to sow, grow, and harvest over 35 different cool season hardy annual flowers. This course is loaded with beautiful imagery and real-life demonstrations of sowing and harvesting dozens of our cool season favorites. It has all the information you need to grow an abundance of blooms from seed to cut from or enjoy out in the landscape.
What are cool flowers? They're cool season hardy annuals like poppies and larkspur and bells of Ireland, and they revolutionized my flower farm with more abundance, longer stems, and providing a longer season.
So, whether you're a flower farmer like Lisa wanting to hone in on the perfect harvest stage, or a home gardener like me who wants to grow an abundance of blooms in your backyard, this is the course for you. It's the perfect reference tool to keep in your back pocket when you're sowing seeds, spacing transplants out in the field, deciding whether to pinch or net, and of course, when it's time to make the cut. We designed this class to serve as a practical, easy to use resource that you'll find yourself coming back to season after season and year after year.
We're happy you're here, friends, and if you don't know who we are, allow us to introduce ourselves. Hey there, my name is Lisa Mason Ziegler, and I am the founder and owner of the Gardener's Workshop. And this all started actually back in 1998 as a really small city flower farm. My farm's success actually led me to expand those gardens and to start teaching folks. And I've just really learned that teaching is my strongest gift, and everybody wants to learn how to grow cut flowers, both home gardeners as well as flower farmers. And so my first book was published in 2014. It was Cool Flowers, followed by Vegetables Love Flowers in 2018. And here we are in 2024 with the Cut Flower Handbook just coming out. I've also created and produced Flower Farm in School online, as well as a host of other courses with instructors and topics. And so I am married to my best friend, Stevie, who actually came with this great piece of land and a tiller that just made it all possible and got this whole deal of the Gardener's Workshop started. Golden retrievers have always been a big part of our family, and Tucker is in the garden with me every single day. And we all three just love flower farming and growing masses of flowers and to teach others how to do it.
My name is Layne, and it's so nice to meet all of you. I'm a lifelong gardener, and I've been starting seeds for many years now. I actually got my first grow lights back in 2007, and I've been starting thousands of seedlings a year ever since. My husband and I are originally from California, but now we live and garden on around an acre of land here in Williamsburg, Virginia, USDA Zone 8A. And I'm extremely passionate about growing all sorts of plants, especially flowers, as well as the magic of seed starting. I actually have a degree in bioengineering, and I love math and science, conducting experiments, and understanding why and how things work the way they do. I'm currently the seed manager at the Gardener's Workshop, and I co-host the Seed Talk with Lisa and Layne podcast, which is so much fun because it allows me to interact with all of you and really hone in on the topics you want to hear and learn more about. I'm so excited you've decided to join us here in this course because I set out to create the class I would want to have in my back pocket. And we've included all the topics our wonderful Seed Talk audience and Gardener's Workshop customers have requested more information on over the years. So whether you're wondering how to sow a certain seed, the best varieties to grow, how to space your plants, what stage to harvest and where to make the cut, or you just want to discover or learn about literally dozens of different cool flowers, this is the class for you. Our hope is that this class will serve as a practical and inspirational reference and guide for you wherever you are on your flower growing journey. So welcome to Cool Flowers from Seed
To harvest.